Great, another Xenea video. In this video, we're going to be discussing about Xenea Wallet, the updates that have happened for the Xenea app. Many people have been able to log into the account. That is, if you created a new account to start mining again, or you've not been able to log in for the past 1 month, then there is a solution for that. And I'm also going to be answering some questions in the comments that some people have about it based on what the founder and the team has said about it. So this is a video that you stay tuned for, so that if you're having any complaints, you know probably how you can solve it based on this new update. Starting off with the latest update from Xenea. Xenea Wallet version 2.0.4 released. The latest version is now live in the Play Store and App Store. Please download and update to the newest release. We have fixed the issue of users who could not log in, and it is now possible to create a wallet again. Release notes: UI UX improvement during wallet creation. So these are the things that they have added in the new update. Wallet initialization feature, screenshots functionality during wallet setup. You can now download the backup QR code for login. That is when you want to maybe restore your Xenea wallet or want to log in again if you're locked out. And there's a new wallet guide that you can check out. Now there are many questions, but before that, let's go to what the CEO of Xenea said so that we can update ourselves on what he said previously. First point, the updates for the Android and iOS versions are complete. This will resolve the login issues. We are going to address the current situation in this week's AMA, and this was in response to what someone said. Apart from that, he has also talked about the significance of the gems. Now, many of the newer users may not understand the purpose and significance of collecting gems, and it also applies to the older users. So they're going to announce that information, maybe information about the TGE or the conversion rate, or what the gems are for, how they're going to be converted into Xenea, their purpose. That information will be given in the AMA next week. So that's something to look forward to. Now, I get that there's a lot of disbelief in maybe the project, but TGE takes time, and especially with the new update that they did season 2, of course many people are not patient enough, or they are tired of waiting and maybe not getting something worth it. But at the end of the day, it's either they fix this issue, which is the app issue, or they go to TGE. Many people are still very unsatisfied because they cannot even get the airdrop, they are locked out, which is worse. Or they fix the issue, the community is happier seeing that there was a complaint and the Xenea team listened to it and they solved it, and now they're going to start doing the TGE, maybe even do some compensation. Now let's go straight into the questions. So we have established that there's going to be an AMA next week, and if we complete this update, there are some issues that can be solved. I will be scrolling down in the comments to try to answer some of the questions. The first question here is, even with this update, I'm stuck here. I have active internet service, so what's wrong? Do I need to use a VPN or what? Now, if you're having this issue, try using hotspots. Well, I don't know about VPN if it will work, but try using a hotspot service and connect. Or just try restarting your phone to see if your internet is actually the problem here. This comment says, thank you so much, I got my account back, but why did you reduce my points before and after? So right now, this is showing 147, now this is showing 118, but these are not the same seasons. This one of them is season 1 and one of them is season 2. So this is most likely your season 1 rewards, while this is your season 2. So they did not reduce the amount of gems that you have. Third question, what about linking Xenea with Galaxy? I've tried so much but in vain. Many people have been facing this issue and they are yet to say something about it. So for now, there is no solution on that, but hopefully it's brought up in the AMA. Updated to new version, still unable to back up on cloud. This is the fourth question. So this is what it looks like. So if you're not able to back up on cloud, try to download the QR code. That's the backup QR code, and also save it to your file, your local drive, your internal storage, until maybe it works. For now, just do that. From 8k to top 30k, this is the fifth question. Thanks for ruining my position on the leaderboard for a month of not being able to log in. I wonder how I will get back there now. So you are in the 29. So this is the leaderboard of the person. So what is this? They're saying that they have not been able to mine for maybe the past 1 month, and there's not compensation for it. Well, you don't need to worry. The CEO has said something about this, and there is going to be compensation, and I'll show you after I'm done with the questions where he said that. Now, this is a complaint. We have been on your app for a long time, and you guys kept asking us for app updating, but you did not even talk about TGE. This is what I was referring to previously. They cannot just do the app. They cannot leave the app with the amount of bugs that it had and the amount of complaints that they were getting from the community and leave the app updating. They can't just do it, because it would mean they are neglecting the community's complaints, even after promising a lot from the app. So that is what they were trying to do. They were trying to fix the errors on the app so that people would actually start mining the gems again. I understand the impatience and all, but many people would not be able to mine without the app updating, without them trying to fix the issues on the app and sending it to App Store and Play Store, reviewing it, and allowing the community to update the app. So they'll talk about TGE maybe soon after season 2, hopefully, but that is not. But the app updating was necessary. The last question: I have been logged out for over a month now. I've updated my app to the latest version, but still can't get past this stage. It's taking me to where I'll have to create a new wallet instead of retrieving my old one. And it's the security questions many people are having. Now just go through with it. It is going to ask you to create a new wallet, but it is not going to like reset your points. Instead, it is going to forget about the old wallet that you created. Your account is still there, but it's going to be a new wallet. Like, take your email as your account. Like, now they cannot delete your email, so now your gems is in your email. As in, for now it's in your email and it's not in the previous wallet that you created. So right now you can create a new wallet before they will now link it. So that is how they decided to solve the issue for the login. So just go ahead with the step, create new security questions, and please remember to write it down or have a way that you can remember the question so that you don't have to miss the questions and you cannot back up your wallet, or you cannot retrieve or restore your wallet. If you're having any issues, any other issues that maybe I did not touch on, go to the Xenea Wallet, the CEO, the account. So this is his username, and you can just go to his reply section. For the part of the community asking for compensation for the 1 month off the mining, well, this is something that the CEO has said. Someone posted this: there should be a 5k Xenea points coupon code along with this message, which is with the new update. And this is what he replied: we will distribute gems to compensate users who couldn't log in, ensuring fairness. Details will be announced separately, which means there is a plan to compensate. In another video, I'm going to be showing you the app, to show you how the app looks, how it works, maybe to show you the what now. That's all for the Xenea Q&A session to how to log in, how to restore your wallet, and all the other issues that you might be facing, or any complaints that you have. I hope I've been able to help you with some of that. Feel free to check out the links in the description box below. Join the Telegram and WhatsApp community and be a part of it. That's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified. If you want to join our Telegram or WhatsApp, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.